In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check purchase history on eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to review past orders, check tracking, and find receipts all in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and head to the eBay homepage. If you aren't already signed in, eBay may prompt you to log in before you can see any personal details. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to confirm you're on the right regional site for your location, as layouts can vary slightly, but the navigation is the same. Next, look to the top of the page and click My eBay. On desktop, you'll usually find it in the upper right corner. It may appear as text or under your profile icon. On mobile, you can tap the profile icon or the menu to access My eBay. This area is your personal hub, where your buying, selling, saved searches, and account settings live. Inside My eBay, choose Purchases. This is the dedicated page that lists everything you've bought with this account. You'll see each item with its title, seller, price, order date, and current status. If the seller provided tracking, you'll also see tracking details you can expand to view shipment progress. Clicking the item or order details link will open more information, like shipping address, payment method used, and any messages with the seller. By default, eBay often shows purchases from the last 60 days, so if you're looking for an older order, use the filters on the page to adjust the time frame. You can also search within your purchases by keyword, try a part of the item title, the seller's name, or an order number if you have it. Status filters are handy too. You can narrow to items awaiting shipment, shipped, delivered, or canceled to quickly find what you need. If you need a receipt or invoice, open the order details and look for options to view order summary or print. That's useful for expense tracking, returns, or warranties. If something hasn't arrived, check the tracking first, then use the contact seller option from the order details if you need assistance. For returns or refunds, the purchases page is also where you'll begin that process, following eBay's on-screen steps. And that's it. Go to eBay, click My eBay, then Purchases, and your entire order history is right there. Searchable, filterable, and easy to manage.